Hi friends, welcome to my channel Civil 3D Pro Designer. Today we have exercise number 2 for chapter number 13, that how to control parcel style display orders. It's quite common for adjacent parcel to share one or more segments. If the adjacent parcels have different styles assigned to them, you can control which style is used for the shared segment via the Site Parcel Properties dialog box. To access this dialog box, we can right click on the Prospector tab of the Parcels and can select any style which will override to others. Typically, we will want to set 10 type of parcel line styles to always override other. For example, right-of-way lines are considered one of the most important boundaries in the drawing. So their style is often placed at the top of the list. As a result, the color and line type of the right-of-way line are uninterpreted throughout the drawing. On the other hand, the lot lines are considered one of the least important, so their style are typically placed at the bottom of the list. So before starting this exercise, please subscribe my channel Civil 3D Pro Designer, and you can also access my Facebook page Civil 3D Pro Design, where you can get many more material related to Civil 3D. In this exercise, we will apply the Parcel Style Display Order function to control the display behavior when parcels of different styles share common segments. Open your drawing, applying Parcel Style Display Order. You can download that from the description link. When you will open, you will get this drawing, which we also have done in the previous exercise number 1. And then in the Prospector tab, you can see sites. Just expand and then you will see parcels. Okay, on the parcel, you can select, right click and select properties. You will see here composition. If you open with analysis tab, you can switch here to composition, and now you can see here we have parcel style display order. Which one is upper? It means it will override another's. So for example, right of way, we want to override right of way actually to all of them. Then you select the right of way, and then here upper pointing, click again until it appears at the top, and just click OK. Now it's mean our right of way will be override on another lines. Here before we have lot lines with blue color, but now it's override with our right of way line. So if we want to change something else, we can go again into parcel properties, and then we have some list, like after right of way we want adjoiner, then we want to override open space, again lot, and then property, and then basics. So it will our list sequence to show in subdivision plans. Actually it depends on design criteria, or your city and courthouse which will approve this subdivision plan. Actually they can provide you this list. How can you go with them? So just go apply and OK. Now you can zoom into the drawing and study the different areas where parcels of different style are adjacent to one another. Also, you can check here property 66, which is override by lot 52 and lot 65. Hope you like this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest notification about Civil 3D advanced videos.